Hello fifth class. Let's change a decimal into a fraction. So for this we need a notation board. It's very easy to draw one out. So my number I'm going to change is 4.056. So I'll write it on my notation board. So I've got 4.056. I know 4 is my whole number. And looking at my fraction, I can see that the 6 is under the thousandths. So I've got 56 thousandths. There's my fraction. I could simplify it if I wished. If I look at a second example, let's take the example of 25.32. So I'll write it in my notation board. I've got 25.32. This time I've only got as far as the hundredths. So my whole number is 25 and 32 hundredths.